friends, this is Vijay again back with the short video how to summarize long PDF using Gemini application. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the topic. Before that, please view this video fully so that you can able to know how to summarize the PDF in Gemini application. After that, if you're satisfied with the information, please click on subscribe button and share to others. Okay, then let's dive into the topic. First, we have to open our Gmail account. Click on Gmail. Then click on Drive. Then upload one document. Any document. You can upload any number of pages document. Here I'm, for example, I'm using one file. That is I love PDF next. Open. It's uploading in my drive. Once it is uploaded, we'll move to another tab. Okay, it's uploaded. Then yeah, this is the file I have uploaded. Click on the file, click on rename, copy the file name. Okay. Next, move to the second step. That is, we have to use Gemini application in this scenario. The meanings, yeah, both are same. See, my Gemini Gmail ID is same and my Gemini ID is also same. See, it should match. Okay, then now go to the process. Just type read at the red symbol, click on Google Drive and copy the file name. Then write the please provide me the insights of the document. See, now it is analyzing the Google Drive. This is the command. Then now it is reading the Google workspace and accessing the document. Then it has been summarized. See, it has taken less than 1 minute. I hope so this information is helpful to you. So that please click on subscribe button and share it to others. Thank you very much.